Good afternoon, student. Please refer the above link. Linked list. Linked list can be defined as collection of objects called node that are randomly stored in the memory. Node means, please see the figure. Node is the collection of data and link, means it is the rectangular box. The first box contains the 12 and second is the remaining. Means it consists the reference of the next element of data. This is called as linked list. Means each and every element is linked to another element. Okay. Next point, a node contains two fields, that is data stored at that particular address and the pointer which is contain the address of the next node in the memory. The last node of this list contains pointer to the null. Means the last please see the figure. Last node of the pointer, it contains the null value. Please refer the diagram. So first of all, what is meant by linked list? Linked list is a collection of objects called node that are randomly stored in the memory. So first rectangular box consists of the two partition. The first partition consists of the 12, that is data. Means you have to insert the element in first rectangular box, this is called as data. And second part is the link, means it contains the address of the next node in the memory. Means the 20 means the next node, means the next node of the linked list contains the address of the first link. मीन्स जो 20 जो आपका नेक्स्ट बॉक्स में जो है वो येलो बॉक्स में उसका एड्रेस मेमोरी में ऑलरेडी स्टोर्ड है. तो द फर्स्ट बॉक्स विच इज लिंक टुगेदर टू द अनदर बॉक्स, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज लिंक लिस्ट. देन दिस आर द इनफाइनाइट लिंक लिस्ट. After the last element of the node contains the data element, and the last linked list means link contains the null value. So what is meant by head and tail? Head is the starting position of the element. This is means starting or insertion element of the node. This is called as head, and tail is the ending of the list is called as tail. Okay. The list is not required to be continuously present in the memory. The node can be reside anywhere in the memory and link together to make a list. This achieves optimized utilization of space. List size is limited to the memory size and doesn't need to be declared in the advance. Empty node cannot be present in the linked list, means the last element which is not present in the linked list. We can store values of primitive data, primitive types or objective in the single linked list. Linked list consists of the different types such as single linked list, double linked list. These are the types. So it is enough for you. The next is the representation of the linked list. I am telling you after some time.